guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for clicking on this video. Please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, hit that little bell button that notifies you every time I drop a video, which is basically once a week. So today we're going to be doing something not unusual. I'm doing an unboxing. I got some Ulta gift cards for Christmas and for my birthday, and so I just decided to treat myself to a few things, and I just wanted to share them with you. Some of them are like repeats or you know, like I just need to update my stuff. So let's get into it. Okay, big old box that says Ulta. Okay, like I've mentioned on the channel, I'm obsessed with TikTok, and I constantly see a lot of things you know, like when they recommend stuff. And so I got this brand, the Truly brand, and it's supposed to apparently firm and glow your butt just to basically tighten your butt. I have used kind of similar exfoliants where they're supposed to, like, you know, tighten up or reduce cellulite. I used to use the Brazilian Bum Bum cream, which I thought was really nice. I mean, if you have a workout routine and you do a lot of squats plus like a firming cream or exfoliant like this, you really do see an improvement in your butt. In case anyone's wondering, I want to try it. It is a little bit pricey. It smells like watermelon. This is what the inside looks like. Really interesting. I will let you guys know if it's worth it or not, but I have tried similar products. Like, don't think, if you have no ass at all, don't think it's gonna give you an ass overnight. Like, you're not gonna be on no JLo shit, but like if you're doing squats and then use something like this, you're definitely going to see some type of improvement. And I did notice when I was in the gym that I didn't notice a lot of more firmness in that area. So like, this is what I got because I want to try it, and I heard a lot of good reviews, more or less. I love Essence Cosmetics, so I just got their eyeliner. I got in the fine tip. It's just like this. If you ever have problems doing wing liner, I always tell my friends or anyone who asks me, like, definitely get anything with like this little tip, because it's just easier to control and navigate. And so like, look how pretty that is. Like, it's very pigmented, and it's only like $2.99, $3.99. I think that's a pretty solid price for eyeliner in general. And I am a lip gloss junkie, so I had to get some of the ColourPop Plumping Gloss, So Juicy, as you can see. And I got this in the shade Beechwood. On the Ulta page, it kind of looked like a brown gloss, and I feel like you can never have enough brown gloss. I don't know. I'm that girl who uses like Beauty Supply's store lip gloss, so I'm gonna see how this works out. The reviews are pretty good. There is like a minty effect. I mean, probably helps with the plumping. I don't have any issues with like thin lips over here, but like I thought this would be really cute for like when we transition to fall and I start wearing more brown nude lipsticks. So I got this as like a topper. Yeah, and that was like $8. I will have the prices on the screen because, as we all know on this channel, I don't always be knowing. And then I got, like I said, Essence. They have this palette called Spiritual Gangster. I know it's a really odd name. I've always been curious about their like pigments. I've definitely used a lot of their eye products, but like I thought the colors were like really pretty, so I just got that. I'm gonna try to do some eye looks with it to see how it pays off. But like, they even have a shade called like Bodak. Like, what's one? Bodak is this like little orange one, and then like She's Bougie is this like gold shimmery color. I thought the names were kind of funny. And She Bad, I'm like, okay, I see you're appealing to some demographic. I might not be it, but you're appealing to someone's demographic. And then I'm obsessed with like getting my skincare routine on, and so I got The Ordinary. I love The Ordinary. I use the hyaluronic acid and the Buffet. Those are the two that I've really noticed some great improvements. And then I saw some like dermatologist on skincare TikTok who was talking about this. He says this is really great to like help you with your what's the word I'm looking for? Like a spot treatment. Yeah, basically like to brighten up your skin. Underneath this foundation there is a lot of dark spots from like pimples, because I get mine when I'm on my period. So yeah, my sisters gave me like $20 something, and I think I had like $10 on my card. Like the gift card I got for Christmas. So these are the items that I got from Ulta. So okay, thank you for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up and some comments would be really cool. Just saying. Anyway, thank you for watching this video. If you're new here, subscribe. There's a lot of fun content coming your way because life. Anyway, I'll see you guys on the flip side. Peace.